We have arrived for our 5-park day, I guess, trip with some family. We pulled in and immediately got the email that our room was ready.
And we're at Toy Story.
Yes, we are in the Toy Story section of All-Star Movies, which is funny because I thought we were staying at All-Star Music. Oh well, no need to do a room tour or anything because we've stayed at the All-Stars very many times and shown the rooms. But we are here, and I think we're going to... Are we going to change here and then meet up? Yes. Have you heard anything from them?
We'll message them and see what's up.
And then head over to Blizzard Beach to use our check-in day free ticket. In our resort mugs, Bella got some Sprite, vitamin water. Christian is getting some hot chocolate, and then we're gonna head out to the bus stop.
To go to a water park.
It is very hot, so there are a lot of people coming into the beach that has had a blizzard. But, I mean, once we got up to the touch point, it was super easy.
Yeah, it was just like skinny as we're normally, so super easy.
Okay, well, hold on. I would like to find a bathroom, and Daddy and I need to put on sunscreen.
Yeah, and Christian needs one more leg.
And his face.
Yeah, and face.
Real ocean or wave pool?
I don't know. How about a wave pool, but this wave pool, but just less frequent waves?
So more oceany. What do you think?
More oceany.
But then you don't have to get salt water in your mouth.
Exactly.
We're gonna go check out a slide, and I'm gonna leave my phone here because I don't have a case or anything. How was the Teamboat Springs family raft ride? It was fun. Bella?
It was funny.
Yeah, because Daddy was going backwards for part of it.
For most of it, yeah.
It was fun. It was really long.
It was nice long. And it wasn't like scary. It was
Yeah, and there's no height requirement for it. There just can't be infants.
Mm-hmm.
The line wasn't that horribly long either.
And the cool thing about here is they've got sprinklers that are constantly wetting a good portion of the
sidewalks.
So
yeah, which is really nice. You're never really that far from having your feet cooled off.
Yeah. So
we are gonna go get some ice cream, I think, and do the lazy river. Yes, ice cream for lunch. And then I think maybe we'll do... Bella wants to go to Tyke's Peak, I think. That's the little kid stuff. We'll see what we get done before we have to leave to head back to the resort to go to dinner. Of the very large sand pail sundae that has lots of stuff in it.
All I know is it's got vanilla and chocolate soft serve.
And it comes with a bucket that's super cute.
And lots of ice cream. Just probably eat this before it melts in 3 seconds.
Yeah. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Have you eaten anything that isn't whipped cream? Was the cross country creek lazy river.
Right. You just need the right raft.
Yeah. It was a nice long ride.
Yeah.
It took us like 25 minutes to go all the way around.
Yeah.
Something like that. And where we got off
Definitely take a nap.
where we got off Teamboat Springs, you could walk through the tunnel on that path. So you can walk all the way around the lazy river. Bella, you want to go to Tykes Peak to do the little kid stuff. Christian, you're too big, so we're going to figure out what we're going to do. Hey, goober butts, we're going into Tykes Peak. Right? This is the like little kid area that you're still little enough for. Anna and Elsa. Hang on. All right. And Ola. Oh, squishy. That is squishy. It's weird. And Sven, no one's by them. We love them. They're so cute. Oh, instead of doing anything else. What do you need your goggles for? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Didn't get us last time. Come on. Okay.
Look up Alexander the Great.
Is that the big rabbit? I think.
Pick one up.
How does it expect to have last year? So that was good, Jay.
Is it hot?
He remembers it.
The flavor was good. It was just
Christian got shepherd's pie. I got the fish and chips. Bella got the pasta. Grandma got the beef, and so did Daddy, so I'm only showing it once. And Matt got the same thing as me, so. I got the bread and butter pudding.
Look, Daddy, our dog. Yeah, it's right there.
16 cents for a time.
Yeah, but let me see it. Let me see it.
Okay, so we are all wearing different clothes because we got rained on at Disney Springs. The to-go dessert bag ripped, and there was like vanilla sauce all over the place. Luckily, it didn't get on my clothes, even though I had to hold it for the 20-minute bus ride, plus waiting for like 15 minutes for the bus to even move.
Yeah, because the driver swapped.
And it took way longer than normal.
Yeah. Plus, it happened like randomly. Usually, they'll have the driver out there before.
Yeah, it was weird.
Yeah, but anyways.
Anywho, okay. Day one of the trip, first time at Blizzard Beach. Thoughts? Youngest to oldest.
Good. It was awesome.
What was your favorite ride? Thing.
My favorite things were one family raft ride.
So Teamboat Springs.
Yep. And you can make it real funny because here's the how. Somebody who's being backwards riding
Like me.
can say, hey.
Why me?
Okay, so you like that. Did you like Tyke's Peak with the frozen stuff? Cool. Christian, favorite thing at Blizzard Beach?
I don't know.
Okay. We didn't do too much there, but I mean, being there for included with check-in day, free ticket basically, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I thought it was really good. I liked the family tube slide. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, the lazy river was nice. The wave, it was great. I don't think I wouldn't pay for a day ticket to go.
No.
Maybe because we live down here now, I might like think about adding the water park option to the annual pass, but probably not because now that we're living in an apartment, we have access to a swimming pool all the time.
Yeah.
So I really enjoyed Blizzard Beach, going for free. I wish it wasn't so nastily hot outside.
Yeah, it was really hot.
But it was a good time. The ice cream was good.
Yeah.
Did you guys like the ice cream?
Yes. Dave can't walk maniacally.
Oh yes, Phineas and Ferb is currently on the TV. Dinner.
Dinner at
Raglan Road. Last time we were at Raglan Road was pre having a vlog. We had a blog, but not a vlog.
That's true.
There's a difference.
There is. Christian was probably 2.5 the last time we ate there. Just as good. Bella, how was your pasta?
It was delicious.
So you got the meatball magic is what it was on the kids menu?
Yeah.
Penne and meatballs. Looked like she ate Elmo. Christian, you got the shepherd's pie. You said you weren't a fan of the meat part.
No.
I thought it was really good in the few bites I had.
I thought it was good
Maybe
too.
it's because Mommy makes
I make cottage pie, not
with
shepherd's
the
pie.
ground turkey.
So he's not used to the lamb and
Yeah.
the more authenticness of it, because mine is certainly not authentic.
Yeah,
Cottage
yeah.
pie.
But
I-
it was still really good. He ate all the mashed potatoes, so
And then he finished Bella's pasta.
yeah.
What'd you think of the wings that Matt got for the table?
It was pretty good.
Those are so good.
So good. I had 3 of them.
I seriously don't know why I went for
Okay.
water instead of milk when I
Yeah, you
was
had chocolate milk
probably
sitting
too
right next to you.
spicy.
Yeah, it had a little bit of zing to it, but
But
the
it wasn't
wings-
super spicy.
Yeah, but the wings were really, really good. Really well fried. Really well breaded.
They were really moist. There was a lot of chicken
There
on
was a
them.
lot of chicken on it. It was really good. I would consider getting that as an appetizer.
Oh yeah,
100%.
definitely. If next time, because we will eat there again,
Mhm.
even if we were to go not on the dining plan, even if we just got some like appetizers for the table,
Yeah,
they
that'd
had
be-
boxedy Christian.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But also, why would Phineas and Ferb put a self-destruct button on something?
I don't know, because Doof does it. Maybe it runs off.
And then I had the
You're shaking the bed,
the
dude.
braised beef, and it was really good. It was a 12-hour braised beef with col cotton potatoes and seasonal vegetables. Mine came with broccolini and roasted carrots, which I was a very big fan of. I thought the whole meal was really, really good. There were times in the center of the beef that it was a little dry, but I mean overall it was really good. The jus that was with it made up for it. So, what about your fish and chips?
I got the fish and chips, and when it got sat down on the table, Christian was like, "Wow, that's a lot of fish."
That's about the piece that we'll get when we go to the UK.
It was a
later this
big
month.
piece of fish. It was nice. It was flaky. It was moist. The breading was, well, not breading, but it was like beer battered. Was really crispy and really good. And the tartar sauce kind of had like a German mustard kind of taste to it. You
Yeah.
had a bite of it. It was really good.
It was really good. Yeah, I'm not a fan of vinegar, but the malt vinegar that you had on it,
It still
compliment-
needed more.
I told her she had
I,
to leave
like,
some for the table.
Drenched it in malt vinegar. Can you
Yeah.
please stop shaking the bed?
Sorry, I quite enjoyed the glass bottle of ketchup.
Yeah,
Yes. And that is the fastest I've ever seen ketchup come out of a glass bottle.
that is true.
And I have seen a lot of glass bottles of ketchup.
Yep.
And if you have the wings for your table, I do not recommend for someone who doesn't like spicy.
Yeah, they had a little bit of a heat to them, but
But it
we
was
tried to bite.
it was a nice mild heat.
Yeah. And then for dessert, we had the bread and butter pudding,
It's just
which
as
is
good as it
just
was
as
8
good
years
as it
ago.
was. It is amazing. It's cooked to perfection.
I wish I had more stomach space to
Yeah.
have finished it, but we got a box, so that's what I'm eating for breakfast.
Yeah, it will keep well. You don't even need to warm it up. But if we want to warm it up, we can
There's
take it to
microwave.
the.
But it's good
food
cold
court.
too.
It absolutely is. It is 100% delicious, no matter what.
Bella ordered the kids brownie to
Yeah.
go, so she'll probably eat that for breakfast tomorrow. And Christian got the got chocolate. That's one of the things that's kind of hard for Christian right now is because he's 11 and he has to order from the adult menu. Some of the stuff might not be exactly what he wants to eat, or like you can eat a lot, but some of it's too big of a portion and stuff. So
Or the flavors are profiled more towards adults, and he just wants to be a kid.
Sometimes I just want some spaghetti and meatballs.
That's very true.
You
But that's
could've-
why.
Some chicken tenders.
Yeah.
well, tomorrow we are eating Mexican food for dinner, so you can get tacos.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just eat tortilla chips and salsa.
You will not. I paid for the dining plan. You will not.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a good day. Kind of a chill, not temperature chill.
No.
Relaxed. There we go. That's a better word.
Yeah.
It was not chill. It was very hot. It feels like of 102 even when we were at Disney Springs this evening.
Oof.
But it's cooler than it's been the last few days.
Yeah, commercial for this.
Yay, living in Florida.
Yeah. So we're gonna hang out and chill for the rest of the
Yeah,
evening.
it's like just after 8, but I didn't sleep well last night. What about you?
I slept okay. So
I don't ever sleep well.
Kids slept good. So we're gonna get to bed and we're gonna rope drop or early entry for Epcot.
I don't even remember the last time we did early entry to any of the parks.
I don't know, but
Purposely.
yeah. So it's going to be a not early morning, but earlier morning for the kids.
Well, most of the time we can't early entry because we just come for the day.
Yeah. So
So the plan tomorrow is ride Guardians a whole bunch. That's the current plan, and to eat dinner.
yep.
That's all the plans, and that's okay because we were at Epcot quite frequently. So if you made it through this Ramble Fest, we appreciate you.
You mean the Rumble Fest because the child has
Yeah,
been jumping around.
Sorry for the shakiness. So we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.